Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth by James Dean. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mom says. The tooth fairy will come. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It is the tooth fairy. I'm very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great! She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Visit these cool kits, says the tooth fairy. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look! Alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it is very sharp. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus, the platypus, is next on the list. Ah! Where is the tooth? The tooth is not here. The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where's Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where's your tooth, Gus? Pete asks. Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. But I still want to be a part of the tooth fairy fun. No worries, says Pete. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the tooth fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. ربي يحفظكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد. نلتقي بكم قصة جميلة للأطفال والكبار فيها معنى ودلالة إنسانية أنه مو كل واحد متشابه، لذلك كن لطيفا مع الكل. ربي يحفظكم.